Rainfall can significantly impact a pig farmer in various ways. Adequate rainfall is essential for crop growth, which is often used as feed for pigs. Insufficient rainfall can lead to poor crop yields, thereby increasing the cost of feed for the farmer. Additionally, heavy rainfall can cause flooding, which may disrupt farm operations, damage infrastructure, and even threaten the health and safety of the animals. On the other hand, excessive rainfall can also lead to waterlogged fields, making it difficult for pigs to roam and causing hygiene issues. Thus, pig farmers need to closely monitor rainfall patterns and adapt their farming practices accordingly to mitigate any negative impacts.